Hello everyone and welcome to another amazing lesson with Teacher Ashley Hale of Level Up English. In our lesson today, we are going to talk about 10 jungle animals. So these are wild animals. Are you ready for our lesson today? We're going to start shortly. If you are not a subscriber, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to keep up to date with our latest English videos and lessons. That's it. Hit the subscribe button. Let's get started with our lesson. Number 1. This is a lion. Let's say it together. Lion. Lion, lion, lion. Now, let's make a sentence together. We can say, I like the lion. I like the lion. Or we can say, I don't like the lion. I don't like the lion. Can you try? I like the lion. I don't like the lion. Good job. Number 2. This is an elephant. Let's say it together. Elephant. Elephant, elephant, elephant. Now, let's make a sentence together. I like the elephant. I like the elephant. Or we can say, I don't like the elephant. I don't like the elephant. Can you try? I like the elephant. I don't like the elephant. Well done. Number 3. This is a crocodile. Let's say it together. Crocodile. Crocodile, crocodile, crocodile. Now, let's make a sentence together. We can say, I like the crocodile. I like the crocodile. Or we can say, I don't like the crocodile. I don't like the crocodile. Can you try? I like the crocodile. I don't like the crocodile. That's it. Number 4. This is a giraffe. Let's say it together. Giraffe. Giraffe, giraffe, giraffe. Now, let's make a sentence together. We can say, I like the giraffe. I like the giraffe. Or we can say, I don't like the giraffe. I don't like the giraffe. Can you try? I like the giraffe. I don't like the giraffe. Well tried. Number 5. This is a rhinoceros, or we can call it a rhino. Let's say it together. Rhinoceros, rhinoceros, rhinoceros. Let's make a sentence together. We can say, I like the rhinoceros. I like the rhinoceros. Or we can say, I don't like the rhinoceros. I don't like the rhinoceros. Can you try? I like the rhinoceros. I don't like the rhinoceros. Great work. Number 6. This is a snake. Let's say it together. Snake. Snake, snake, snake. Now, let's make a sentence together. We can say, I like the snake. I like the snake. Or we can say, I don't like the snake. I don't like the snake. Can you try? I like the snake. I don't like the snake. Good work. Number 7. This is a tiger. Let's say it together. Tiger. Tiger, tiger, tiger. Now, let's make a sentence together. I like the tiger. I like the tiger. Or we can say, I don't like the tiger. I don't like the tiger. Can you try? I like the tiger. I don't like the tiger. That's it. Number 8. This is a leopard. Let's say it together. Leopard. Leopard, leopard, leopard. Now, let's make a sentence together. We can say, I like the leopard. I like the leopard. Or, I don't like the leopard. I don't like the leopard. Can you try? I like the leopard. I don't like the leopard. That's it. Good job. Number 9. This is a hippopotamus, or we can call it a hippo. Let's say it together. Hippopotamus. Hippopotamus, hippopotamus, hippopotamus. Let's make a sentence together. We can say, I like the hippopotamus. I like the hippopotamus. Or we can say, I don't like the hippopotamus. I don't like the hippopotamus. Can you try? I like the hippopotamus. I don't like the hippopotamus. Well done. Number 10. And the last animal of this lesson is the zebra. This is a zebra. Let's say it together. Zebra. Zebra, zebra, zebra. Now, let's make a sentence together. We can say, I like the zebra. I like the zebra. Or we can say, I don't like the zebra. I don't like the zebra. Can you try? I like the zebra. I don't like the zebra. That's it. Well done today. Now, let's review what we have learned in this video. Lion, lion. Elephant, elephant. Crocodile, crocodile. Giraffe, giraffe. Rhinoceros, rhinoceros. Snake, snake. Tiger, tiger. Leopard, leopard. Hippopotamus, hippopotamus. Zebra, zebra. Wow, well done in our lesson today. I must say you did a fantastic job. Keep up the good work and I'll see you for our lesson next time. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you haven't already subscribed, please hit the subscribe button to keep up to date with the latest English lessons from your favorite teacher, Teacher Ashley Hale. Keep up the good work, and this is Teacher Ashley Hale signing out from Level Up English. Bye!